Oh my goodness, it is gloomy. How do you like the weather? So I'm waiting on my friends. I'm hosting them for letter writing because it's raining and it's Thursday, the 30th of May, and it's raining. Oh my goodness, it's raining. Okay, let me go inside. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Be with Lady Wawa, and yeah, so we do everything fun in this channel. It's more lifestyle and a little bit of fashion and beauty. We like to do routines, whether it's skincare or morning routines, and I know I haven't done that in a long time. So today I canceled all my plans. I woke up with a very bad headache, but I mean, that didn't really stop me. I was supposed to go to Milnerton, visit a friend, and then do my nails. But when I checked my calendar, I was supposed to be in Kalk Bay today, but none of that happened, and I'm a bit slow this morning. I'm sitting outside. I ran out of coffee. I'm so lazy to go and get coffee. The only coffee I can get around here is McDonald's. If I say I miss Kenilworth, I'm not even exaggerating, guys. Kenilworth, it was more like we were in the city. You get everything that you want. Okay, I am back inside. I'm gonna make me tea, and then I will see if I can get out of the house. I don't know. I'm like, what is going on? What's going on today, guys? So it's the periods, okay? It's the periods pains. I'm suffering. It's not nice to be a woman. It's not nice at all. It's not nice. Okay, let's have some tea. Oopsie. I'm gonna have this tea. Some healthy teas here. There's no caffeine at all. Okay, I will see you guys later. Okay, as I said on the last vlog that I need to rebrand the channel, and I've been saying I know, but I really promise I will sit down. I think I'm due for another sit down Q&A and a morning routine. If I can give you guys those 3 video updates, then we will be good. Then we can rebrand. See you guys tomorrow. I don't have much to do, but also I promise to be consistent. So this is me being consistent, and this is just a normal Friday when I have nothing much to do. So take it, guys. Having tea. Oops. Later. Good morning, guys. Just OOTD for the meetings, and we are off. Yeah, kind of late, but hey. Okay, so I do not know. I'm kind of like risking my life here. I'm walking to the Takealot pick-up point just to get my package. It is 6 o'clock and it's so gloomy outside. It's drizzling. I thought when I got off the bus, I thought, oh my goodness, it's not raining. And then I started walking. Okay. And then I started walking. I mean, from the bus stop, it's not that far. They close at 7. So this is like, okay, it's dark, it's dark, it's dark. I feel a little bit safe when I'm in the industrial area, but it doesn't mean that I will not be walking back to the road. And you know what? So, a short story. This package was available last week on Friday. Ask me why am I only picking it up now? Mind you, Takealot is open every single day till 7 p.m. I hope you can hear me. Okay, I'm close by. What if it's closed? Oh my gosh. Okay, it's open. Are they closing? I don't think so, because it's 7. I didn't check today, but I always checked in the past, and it's 7 p.m. So that's the Takealot. Hello, don't go out. Come. The cat just meowed without even seeing me. So that's how much. Come. Come eat. Come. Come on. Come. Visage. Come. Visage. Come. Come, baby. I want to close the gate. I'm home safe. I won't even be long because I need to feed my kitties and clean the litter box and shower quickly. This is us. They waiting. That's their cupboard for food, so they know. They don't even have water because they have such a bad aunt who doesn't do anything for them. I'm home safe. So I am leaving work and I have my grocery tote bag, which is actually made of this cotton fabric. So it was raining and it doesn't smell funny or moldy or anything, like, but you can tell it's wet. Like, you know, like in the library, like books, new book, like paper smell. But anyway, let me go home from work, and thing is I need to run a few errands. So yeah, it's raining, but I have a lift. So yeah, see you later. Hey guys, look what I have. I wasn't even planning to sit here, but anyway, I think I need to move because it's too sunny. Anyway, it's Friday And okay, I don't want you to see my edges. I'm doing this on purpose because they're so bad and I'm home. I'm just gonna wear beanie because I don't want to redo or remove or whatever. Okay, fine. I think I fixed the issue of my hair. Anyway, I just wanted to check in, and we are, this is such, I don't know why I have my camera there. So I think that's my sister. So I'm expecting my aunts and my cousins. So it was my aunt's last day at work last week. So they want to have a braai here before she goes away for holiday overseas in Austria. So they asked if they can host it here. So I'm just waiting. So basically this is my braai, what do you call it? Outfit. Just super casual, super cool, super. And yeah, so I was about to watch a movie, but my sister is here. I think it's around 2 p.m. And also I wanted to get cake because Auntie Nur was supposed to come here and then we can have that. But I got so lazy. I had a late morning, and so I think I'm just gonna do Dash, but I don't know if she's still coming. And I don't think my aunts and cousins would want a cake. I mean, it's a braai, right? You don't get cake. Because I always have cake, and when I don't cook or when I don't like prepare a meal for guests, so just like cake and tea, cake and coffee and whatever. So I'll check you guys later. And yeah, so I don't have any plans. I didn't have any plans today, so I wanted to go get me a cute hat though from Poetry, and I still have that Queen's Park 300 Rand voucher. I also want to get something for him, but I will probably do that tomorrow or Sunday. Still need to do my nails. They super ugly, but it's okay. I mean, sometimes you gotta have cheap nails, right? Maybe not. My kid just gave me like a side eye, like, what are you talking about? I'm sunbathing, guys. We had rain in Cape Town from Monday till early morning today. So let's check outfit details again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I mean, later today.